Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dini Aldianti and this is my first video. And this time I will make a video titled How to make PowerPoint presentation attractive for meeting. Hello Dini, yes sure, can I help you? Yes, please help me make an interesting PowerPoint for a meeting. Yes sure, first of all choose a good title for your project. 2. You shall choose a good design for your PowerPoint. 3. Your PowerPoint shall have a note. 4. Add as many words as possible. 5. Use stylish but simple fonts. Example, Times New Roman. 6. Add custom animation, graphic, or structure for several slides. Oh, thank you, Dini. You're welcome.